Hi guys, welcome back to the shop again. In my last video I made a pen box and I turned an acrylic pen, but the box was left just as bare wood, and what I wanted to do was to come up with some way of lining that, and I was thinking about lining it with felt, which I thought was going to be really hard. So a little bit of research online led me to a product called flocking. I first saw this on the Wood Whisperers channel, I don't know, moons ago, and I've forgotten all about it. But it's a really nice way of lining your box with what will finish off as a nice sort of like suede effect. And basically what you do is you apply a layer of adhesive into the box, and then you blow on this really fine felt onto the glue, and then you leave that to set, and that'll cover the inside of the box lovely. So I've never tried this before, so this is going to be a first for me. As you can see, I've got a pen box half made. I've done the inner bit ready. I haven't squared it up so it's not even in the middle, so don't worry about that just yet, and even the sides aren't even flush yet. It's not finished, but what I want to try and do tonight is apply the flocking kit to the inside. So watch along with me, you'll learn as I do, because I've never done this before. Let's have a look at the kit. So the kit arrived today, and in the box was a squeezy bottle applicator with a hole in the lid, a 150 millilitres of adhesive, and a big bag of the flocking itself. To do the box, I've also got some masking tape because I want to mask off the top, and I've got a paintbrush to apply the glue. It's worth noting that wherever you apply the glue, this flocking stuff is going to stick, so I don't want any on the top, so I'm going to mask off the top as best as I can. I know there's a curve in there which might prove to be a little bit difficult to do, but we'll see what we can do. We'll start to mask that off as much as we can. And then we'll apply some glue on the inside with the brush. You've got about a 5-minute working window, so no need to rush. Take your time with it, get it right. And then we'll put this in the box, and then we'll apply the flocking to it through the applicator. The instructions say to use a clear or a box that's clean is the most important one. The inside of the box has to be clean because you can reuse this stuff. Anything that gets blown off and falls off, you can reuse it in another project, so we don't want to waste any. So we've got a nice bit. I've nicked one of the kids' toy boxes for this. So let's get on with the masking and let's see how we crack on. Okay, so I've got it masked off now as much as I want it to be. It's as close as it's going to get. It's also worth noting I do have a dust mask here as well, because when I start doing this is going to go airborne quite a lot. It's so fine, and I don't want to be breathing that in. Anyway, let's get on with the gluing. I've got the doors of the garage open as well, so we've got great ventilation at the moment. The glue seems to be quite runny as well. I'm going to try and get it on as even as I can, I think. I don't want any ridges or anything. Goes on a bit like paint, a very thin paint. I'm just doing my best just to keep it as even as I can on the edges here. As I said, you've got about a 5-minute working window with the adhesive, so I don't need to rush it too much. Okay, I think we can move straight on into the flocking part. I'm going to put that in the box now. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours since we did this. So I'm going to take off the masking tape and we'll see how he did. Okay. So that's the flocking that's on. Got a little bit of glue squeeze out along the top of the wood. You can see that here. But I'm not that concerned. But all in, get that back in focus. That's turned out really well. I'm really pleased. It looks a right professional job. And once we've sanded off the top here, that's going to look awesome. Put a nice pen in there. It's got a nice soft feel. There's a few bits that I need to just wipe off with my finger. It's a little bit loose now. Okay, so it's the next day, and I just want to bring you up to date a little bit, really, and give you my observations. You need to let the flocking cure for at least 24 hours. I got a bit excited with this yesterday and I got a really nice finish on it, and I ran my finger down the front and I ran my finger down here and it all came off. So that went off. This is another one that I did, and you can see it's really not taken at all. It's streaky and it's not nice at all. I don't think I put enough glue on there. And I didn't put enough flocking, so it's a learning curve. It's one of those projects, I think, the more that you do it, the better you're going to get at doing it. I'm not going to give up on it. I'm going to keep on going, and hopefully you'll see it in another video. Okay, day 3. I've let these boxes sit again 24 hours, and I am much happier today. The flocking has taken off a lot better on these boxes. You can see there we've got a really nice uniform finish. There's a bit of a lump there, but we'll get rid of that. And there's the inside of the other one. You can see with the torch it does make a lot better. There's still a little bit of excess to shake off on the edge of this one, but overall I'm quite happy with that. So it might be that on the pine, or especially the pine I suppose, it might be that it needs 2 coats. I don't know, we'll see. Okay guys, that's it for this one. Just a quick video just to see how we get on with the flocking. It's not as easy as I thought it was going to be. You need to put loads of glue on there, and maybe 2 coats, I'm not sure. It's still not 100% perfect upon reflection. When I did on the double pen box, the side by side one, it didn't come out very well. But the one with the mahogany one, that turned out really well, so I was quite pleased with that one. Anyway guys, I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks very much for watching. Take care, bye bye.